Hello, my friends. I'm looking for love. I made a profile here on my phone. I'm ready to go. I'm seeing with a fanciful view. 'Cause you know she'll be beautiful too. And she'll give my life so much feeling. Hold up, may have to move a little slower so she can see I'm not a shower. That's right, baby. I'm a grower. What? Y'all don't know what that means. Psh, look it up, 'cause I ain't got time to educate. I'll be right back, Paige. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to...
Damn it, Weena, shut the fuck up! It's too early for this shit!
Commode may even bust out an acoustical groove. Maybe later, 'cause I know that she'll be right on time. Come on, what you got? Meow, 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 meow. Your time. Meow, 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 meow. I'll be slapping that ass. Meow. What? Yabba-doo-day, I made a profile here on my phone. I'm ready to. Oh, I'm ready to. I'm ready to love. Oh, I just can't wait, Pudge. I want to hold her and I want to squeeze her. That is right. Today is a new day. Now, any moment now, Pudge, that phone is gonna ring, you understand? And it's gonna be her. I just know it. I feel it in my bones. And we gonna have so much fun. Now here's the plan, Pudge. Listen up close now. When I meet with her, I'm gonna pull out all the stops. Yep, I'm talking food, chocolates, flowers, candles, back massages. She gon' get the waiter special, 'cause I'ma come through and sweep her off her feet. That's right. And we won't ever have to feel lonely again. Ah, it's her. What did I tell you, Pudge? Get to your station, boy. This is not a drill. What? Oh no. Pudge, what do I even say? Whew. Hello?
Hello, am I speaking with Mr. Weena?
Oh yes. Just call me Edgar. You have such a beautiful voice.
Oh, thank you, Edgar. My name is Susan Q, and
Susan? That is such a pretty name.
Thank you.
And before you say anything more, let me just tell you that I'm prepared to do everything I can to learn from you and to grow with you.
Oh, wow, sir.
Not only that, I will do my utmost to serve and protect you.
Mr. Weenus, please.
And above all, Susan, I'm prepared to show you the abundant sort of romantic love that I have to give.
Edgar, I'm sorry, but this is the Hookups Billing Department. I'm calling on behalf of your account with us.
What? You not looking for love like me?
No, sir.
Well, what do you want, damn it? I'm waiting for my true love to call and you tying up the line.
Well, that's just it, sir. You're not going to get any calls from any interested members with your account being disabled. All eligible ports have been locked.
What? No calls? Disabled? Man, what the fuck?